It's day 7 of my Christmas countdown, and I'm back at Harbor Freight looking for affordable stocking stuffers that won't leave you strapped for cash. First is the 6-piece elastic stretch cord set by Hallm. The assorted lengths make this product ideal for securing tarps, covers, and tying down loads. The low price of $3.99 helps stretch your budget. The non-marring hooks are made of steel and coated in vinyl. And this item's sure to strike a familiar chord. Hallmaster's 20-piece, 10-inch mini stretch cord set for $6.99 efficiently ties down or bundles small objects. The cords are lightweight and maintain their elasticity. The steel hooks are zinc-plated to resist rust and corrosion. Next up is this poly 1/4-inch 100-foot anchor line by Fisherman's Habit. It's constructed with diamond braided strands to minimize stretch and offer exceptional handling when wet. The rope comes with a rubber-coated steel spring clip for quick, easy attachment. It's a great catch for $5.99. Show how much you carabiner by giving this bungee cord by Hallmaster. It measures 48 inches and has a snap-style clip to keep the ends locked in place. It's ideal for securing tarps, truck bed covers, bundling tools, and other light-duty loads. The high-vis color makes the cord easy to spot, and the rust-resistant aluminum spring gate hook offers security. The $3.49 price tag will leave you jumping for joy. Hope you enjoyed today's video of me showing you the ropes. Make sure you're following to see the rest of the countdown.